Garde XL burger presses ship semi-assembled. To assemble completely, unfasten the 4 knobs and remove the top plate. Ensure the bed plate is in place and that bumpers are on all 4 threads. Slide the mold plate between the bumpers, then place the top plate over the threaded studs. Place the ring pin with plastic stopper through the center of the mold plate. Then thread the hopper onto the top plate assembly and insert the handle stand through the threads behind it. Refasten the knobs. Attach the green handle to the arm using the acorn nut. Then use the ring pins to secure the arm to the push plate assembly. Insert the push plate into the hopper and secure it using a ring pin. Finally, place the ring pin with stopper into the front of the mold. To use the Garde XL burger press, lift the handle and fill with product to approximately 1 inch from the top. Then slide the mold cavity under the hopper until it stops against the ring pin, leaving a small part of the mold cavity exposed. Apply pressure on the lever handle while slowly pulling out the mold plate, allowing the mold cavity to fill. Pull the mold plate out until it stops and remove the finished patty from the mold plate. To change between mold plates, remove the ring pin from the back of the mold plate and slide the plate out. Slide the new plate in its place and put the ring pin into the hole in the back of the new mold plate.